the system of systems. In military engineering, an armada is more than ships. It is a synchronized force of satellites, aircraft, ships, submarines, and digital systems, all engineered to operate as one. In modern long-range operations, dozens of machines activate at once. Some in orbit, some in the sky, some across the oceans, and others working deep inside the electromagnetic spectrum. None operate alone. They move as a single engineered organism. Today, we reveal how this architecture truly works, built for awareness, precision, and coordination. This is the engineering behind a modern military armada. A modern long-range operation uses machines across space, air, seas, and the electromagnetic spectrum, all synchronized into one system. This is the engineering behind that unified architecture. Layer 1. Surveillance satellites. Our journey begins in orbit. Surveillance satellites provide global awareness using optical, infrareds, and radar sensors to see through weather, darkness, and distance. Layer 1. Communication satellites. Communication satellites form the digital backbone, moving data across continents in milliseconds, linking every layer into a single network. Layer 1. Navigation satellites. Navigation satellites use ultra-precise atomic clocks to synchronize aircraft, ships, and sensors across the entire planet. Layer 2. AWACS aircraft. High above the clouds. AWACS aircraft, the airborne warning and control system, scan hundreds of kilometers, building a real-time picture of the sky. Layer 2. ISR drones. ISR drones capture the fine details, mapping terrain, tracking heat signatures, and monitoring changes with long endurance. Layer 3. Stealth bombers. Stealth bombers are engineered to blend into the electromagnetic environment, reducing detection and exposure. Layer 3. Stealth fighters. Stealth fighters fuse radar, infrared, and electronic data into one unified picture, enhancing awareness and agility. Layer 4. Carrier strike groups. Across the oceans, carrier strike groups act as mobile command hubs, sustaining operations across vast distances. Layer 4. Destroyers. Destroyers map the sea and sky with powerful radar systems, feeding real-time data into the wider architecture. Layer 4. Submarines. Below the surface, submarines operate in near silence, using sonar to map the underwater world with precision. Layer 5. Cruise systems. Cruise systems navigate using terrain-following algorithms, adjusting in real time to maintain accuracy over long distances. Layer 5. Hypersonic glide systems. Hypersonic vehicles endure extreme heat and pressure, pushing the limits of materials and aerodynamics. Layer 6. Aerial refueling aircraft. Aerial refueling extends the reach of every airborne platform, keeping operations active far beyond normal limits. Layer 7. Electronic warfare aircraft. Electronic systems shape and stabilize the electromagnetic environment, protecting the integrity of the entire network. Layer 8. System fusion. When all layers synchronize space, air, sea, and digital, the architecture becomes more than the sum of its parts. It becomes a unified system capable of coordinated awareness across thousands of kilometers. A system of systems engineered to synchronize as one. For more deep dive engineering and advanced machines, subscribe to Stealth Lab.